Hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where you will learn modern app tutorials. In today's video, we'll dive into the process of creating a sleek and modern UI design for a URL shortener using Figma. We'll walk through each step, from initial design concepts to the final touches. After we've perfected the design, we'll show you how to export the Figma design into a Python file so it can be fully functional. If you find this content helpful and enjoy learning with me, please hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with my latest videos. Let's jump right in and get started. Alright, everyone, our Figma UI design is now complete. It's time to export it into a Python file. First, select the entire design instead of just the frame. Now, click on Export. And there you have it. The Figma design has been successfully exported into a Python file. So finally, we've exported the Figma design to a Python file, .py, and it runs without any errors. But the main question is, how? So, here's what we need. First, we need an automated UI tool. Second, we need to export the UI assets from Figma. First, open Chrome and type pkzoid into the search bar. Hit search, and you'll see the search results. Look for pkzoid.blogspot.com and click on it to open the website. Next, look at the sidebar and click on Tool Library. Find the Auto UI tool and click on it. This will open a second window. From there, click on Download Raw File. Requirement 1 is complete. Now, let's move on to the second requirement. Alright, now open Chrome and go to Figma. Hide some UI assets like buttons, text entries, and the exit button. Once that's done, go ahead and export it. Both requirements are now successfully completed, and we're ready to move on to the next steps. Now, take a look. Here we have 3 files. First, extract the contents of the zip file. Now, open the Auto UI tool. You'll see 2 options, Default Frame and Custom Frame. Choose the Custom Frame option. Enter the image name here. We need the geometry size. Open Figma, click on the main frame, and copy the width and height values.